Scan for SOV and straight A's only. Let's go! Differential equations look intimidating, but you can solve this specific problem in under 60 seconds by following 3 simple steps. Let us dive right in now. First, isolate the y terms on the left and x terms on the right. Divide by y minus 2 and multiply by dx to prepare for integration. You got this! Integrate both sides to get the natural log of y minus 2. Exponentiate both sides to solve for y, introducing a constant a. That is the general solution. Let's go! Finally, plug in x equals 2 and y equals 3 to find the constant a. Substitute a back to reach the final solution. That makes option B the winner. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOV. Don't drop the constant or skip absolute values. Always use initial conditions and check algebra.